We'll clean, seal and transform your paving, driveway and decking. If your driveway, paving or decking is overrun with moss, weeds or algae, we can help. Here at Yorkshire Driveway Cleaning, we're experts in pressure cleaning, sealing and maintaining all kinds of hard outdoor surfaces. It doesn't matter what the problem is, we've got the skills and experience to solve it for you. Moss, algae, grass, oil spills, we can remove them all so that your outdoor area looks as good as new. We offer a fast, safe and affordable service to domestic, commercial and industrial clients throughout Yorkshire. So whether it's your patio, driveway, paving, decking or your commercial parking or unloading area that's in urgent need of TLC, we can help. And we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Call us today to arrange a free, no obligation quote on 01977 285 685. That's 01977 285 685. Or just fill in your details in the box to the right.